Hello everybody, welcome to another lesson in microeconomics. So today we're looking at the per unit cost graphs or the average cost graphs. And to be specific, we're talking about the average total cost, average fixed cost, and average variable cost. So we're going to start with our marginal cost. Remember, our marginal cost, this is the additional cost we incur by producing one more unit. Okay. So our marginal cost graph is always going to be like this. Okay, like the Nike sign. Okay. So at first, the reason why the marginal cost is decreasing is due to specialization. Okay. This region here, let me just divide this region here. Okay. So the marginal cost is reducing due to specialization. All right. Specialization makes the marginal cost decrease as it gets to cheap, becomes cheaper to produce more, right? So specialization reduces the marginal cost. Okay, specialization. So this is where we're receiving increasing marginal returns. Okay, increasing marginal returns. Now remember, in the short run, one one resource is held fixed. All right. In the short run, one resource is held fixed, and usually that can be capital. Okay, and if you remember the law of diminishing marginal product, which says that as you add more of one variable resource to a fixed resource, total product will eventually start reducing. So this is what is happening here, right? Here we're experiencing diminishing 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 marginal product. Okay, diminishing marginal product. Okay, and our marginal costs are increasing. Now, the relationship between marginal cost and average cost is that marginal cost is like a magnet to average cost and average total cost. So if we draw our average total cost and our average variable cost curve, right? Always be careful. The marginal cost intersects the average variable cost at its minimum. So this is at its minimum. So we'll say this is the average variable cost. All right. We say that that's the minimum. Okay, that's the minimum average variable cost. All right. The same thing happens for the average total cost curve. We'll have it here. Okay, that's our minimum here. Say ATC here. Okay, it's a minimum average total cost curve here. All right. So the marginal cost intersects the average variable cost at its minimum, and it also intersects the average total cost at its minimum. So remember, marginal cost is like a magnet. So as marginal cost is reducing due to specialization here, our average variable costs are also reducing, our average total costs are reducing. Okay, but then as marginal cost starts increasing, all right, starts increasing, our average variable costs increase and our average total cost increase. All right. So remember, the reason why the marginal cost curve is like this because of the law of diminishing marginal returns. Okay. So thank you guys, and we'll see you next time.